What you talking about? This is Travis Screen's YouTube. It's not Poppy Lando YouTube.
Hold on, guys.
Dang, that's how you always start your videos off too. The famous green booger. I already got a video of it when you was inside. I was stalking it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. What you about to do, Orlando? Why's my bumper off? Kinda.
We're gonna mock up this carbon 350Z intake ducts into right there.
Nah, you mean 86 duct. That's an 86 duct. Yeah, they don't know about that yet.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
It's a 101.
Yep.
That looks good. This is scary.
I'm trying to not get inside the corners too much. There we go.
I see you, boy.
That's the starting template.
All right. Get your big ass whole cans in the way. Ooh, alright. Fancy with it. Just fucking up my bumper. This shit look clean though. Get you an auto body shop.
Remember that. I don't got patience for this.
You gotta pay. You doing it good though.
See at the end.
Boy, getting them clean cuts. Or is it just kind of wedge in there?
Yeah, I gotta keep going a little bit more. Like right now, I was hitting on this corner.
Yeah. So that corner will need to space out. But the other one looked good. You got plenty of space on the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, boy, you fancy with it. You must do this in your sleep. Chris would be very proud of you. Damn, boy.
Bring some time.
Damn, you don't trust my measurement. This man had to come back. That's fucked up.
Just trying to see how much to go up.
Alright. It's gonna be alright.
Yeah, and then when it comes all fucked up, you'll be like, oh, Linda was something clear.
Man, why you sound like Effie just then?
No, that's Oscar.
Damn, boy. There's need some fire out here. It's a big ass hole.
Yep.
Bro, on a scale of 1 to 5, how hard was that job?
It's easy. It's a lot of time, but that's it. It's not hard. A lot of measurements. There you go.
Yeah, we cut a little too big, but
Look, now we're both gonna match in the same hole.
that's what she said.
Bam.
Yeah, boy, you rich.
Yeah.
We got a whole pan in front of him. Damn. I'm trying to be like you. This man got gold wheels, he got gold turbo kits. Got a chassis mount. I can't afford a chassis mount. Yeah, it's such a unique look now. Damn. Hey, don't be exposing me yet. Nobody know yet.
Nah, this is Josh. This doesn't.
How long before the cops come to this bitch? You know. This shit wild as fuck. More enthusiasts? Yeah. Yo, this shit is so fucking ratchet, bro. I'm literally about to get the fuck out of here because the cops are gonna come. They're gonna shut this bitch down. This shit crazy. God damn. Lord mercy. So, getting the fuck out of here. This shit's fucking nuts. I'm out.
Everybody was chilling until a bunch of cars started getting here.
Yeah, that's what happens, man.
Like everybody's supposed to get rowdy.
It's the younger car guys. It's just what they like to do. They like to shut shit down. I don't know. I'm not with that shit, so I'm about to get the fuck out of here for the cops see me. I'm not trying to be a part of this shit.
Continue this one, they're gonna be like the best ones.
The movie?
Cause remember, it's worked on.
Bro, just keep watching One Piece.
No,
All
I'm
telling
still
you is,
watching it. I'm just telling you where I'm at right now.
Right now is the
It's
best.
2 out of 10.
Right now, it's the best anime out there, bro.
That's all me right
They
there.
don't feel
Who
they
that?
don't like
Man,
them
get your
same.
fat ass hand out of there, boy.
You can't drink that, bro.
Lightweight, boy. Ew, why you put your nasty lips on there? I know you been sucking
They
wiener.
might continue.
Suck your
like,
Nah, I love you, bro. That's my boy right there.
I'm in China. They still watch.
That's Fast Man right there.
One
Bro, I
Piece
just
is-
called you fast. That's crazy. All right, there you go.
I'll give you a hug. I'll give you a hug, Poppy.
Hey, look at that. He gave me love. He gave me love off camera.
everywhere. It's,
Hold the monkey.
Man, it says
it's
savory.
flavor. It's like banana
It
flavor in
says
it.
notes of orange and spices.
Where the fuck do you see
It
bananas?
doesn't say no bananas.
Nigga, you drunk.
I don't see bad either.
It says it's fruity.
That is definitely says no bananas.
I can name a couple people in this room.
All I see is orange and spices. That's it.
And look at me, bro. Look at Oscar.
What?
Where's Oscar? Oh, there.
Is that yours, Cam?
He's so fucking quiet.
Yeah, they're Orlando's.
Oh, yours right there.
Yo, don't look at my camera like that ever again, bro. That was so creepy. Why'd you look like that? You gotta redeem yourself. You so weird, man.
Who?
He like a stalker in my video just now. I'm gonna post that.
Who?
You weirdo. Oh shit, never mind.
Oh, never mind.
I'm not loved right now. Put this right in this.
Well, why is he taking a
I'm not loved by Oscar right now. Keon talking shit. I'm talking to my
It's Josh's
YouTube.
birthday
And
and you
Rachel
guys not over
Rachel
here.
been mean too.
What the fuck you
EJ's
wearing,
been my only real friend in the squad right now. Josh has been looking out. Josh been chilling. That's birthday boy right there. And then Dennis, who never really shows up, is talking shit too. Like that's
I've been
crazy.
showing up. What you talking about?
I mean, you've been here and there. You know, I ain't seen you in a little while. You know, since you took that L. But, are you recording?
Oh.
Hey, I had to slide it in.
Hey, watch what you say because you're on YouTube. Yo, real nigga shit gang gang.
Shit, if it wasn't for my fucking knee, shit, I'll be in it too.
If it wasn't for me weighing 140.
Somebody gonna get hurt. They gonna start fighting for
My
real.
buddy
Watch.
was 285.
Call it now. That's how it usually goes down.
Who's wrestling? Big. I used to
Look,
wrestle him.
look.
Look, he like got that Samoan stand. He like, look at my glutes.
Damn, I see you, Batista.
Just look how big his calves are right now.
Y'all need help.
Look, big up.
Let me know if y'all need backup.
Look, nothing.
Y'all got
None
no
of them go
teamwork.
for the legs.
No teamwork.
Hey, none of them.
Bro. Oh my goodness. Damn, boy, I see you. Shit, that's for the poochies? Damn.
That's a Keon killer.
Oh. That was on candid camera. Keon didn't hear a thing.
That was a Keon killer.
Look, he still ain't noticed. Damn, boy. You talking shit right in his presence. He ain't say nothing. Keon, you gonna let him talk shit like that?
What?
That was a Keon. That was a Keon killer.
Oh. Bro, Orlando. Orlando, I knew you was a fat ass, but damn. That boy hungry.
That's how we eat the ass, bro.
Hey, all 2020, right? YOLO, right?
Quarantine
Gotta eat the
time,
ass like
boy.
this.
Ooh. And your tender about to go up, boy.